I'm here with my Dash egg bite maker and some mini English muffins. Let's see if we can toast these mini English muffins in this Dash egg bite maker.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
I just plugged in the egg bite maker. We can see that the blue light is on, and I also cut the English muffins in half. So we have 4 halves of the mini English muffins. Once the blue light goes off, then I'll put these halves in the egg bite maker and we'll see how long it takes for them to toast up and if they will toast up. Okay, the light just went off, so let's open this up and let's put the English muffins in here. I'm putting them in cut side down. And there they are. And let's close that, and I'll be back in about 5 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes now. Let's see what's going on here. So the tops are definitely not browned, but the English muffins are nice and soft. They definitely soften up more in the egg bite maker than the mini toaster oven. They're just slightly starting to get toasted on the bottom, so let's turn these over and let's leave them in here another 5 minutes. It's been another 5 minutes, so it's been a total of 10 minutes so far. Let's see what's going on. They are still barely toasted. They're starting to brown a little bit. Let's see what another 5 minutes will do. So right now it's 10 minutes total. I'm wondering what would happen if I keep the lid open. So let's do that. Let's do another 5 minutes, this time with the lid up. It's been another 5 or 6 minutes now. Let's see what's going on. So they definitely toast up better with the lid open. These look really nice. I would say that these are done. They're nice and crispy, and they're not too dark. Obviously, if you like them darker, you can let them cook a while longer, but I am going to unplug this. Let's take them off. And that is how you can toast mini English muffins in the Dash egg bite maker. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.